Hi, this is Kerry Artak with Wicked Stocks, bringing you your daily Tesla report for Wednesday, April 15th, 2026. Before I forget to tell you, just so you know that on Tuesday, Wicked Stocks put out a stock pick on Reddit Incorporated. That is the social media platform. We're not telling you to go out and buy it. We give you the conditions necessary for a significant buy signal that could emerge, and you could see those conditions by going to wickedstocks.com and taking advantage of our 2-week free trial, where you're also will receive over that 2 weeks the daily NVDA report, daily SPY, daily Triple Q, et cetera, et cetera. So check it out at wickedstocks.com. So, last week we tested that 338.27 channel bottom. It's a 1-year structure that we'd been anticipating for the last couple of months following the settlement 2 months ago, roughly, below the 432.90 structure, its sister formation. And now that we've tested our objective, it is being long, and I'm talking really more longer term over the next 2 to 3 months, back to the 432.90 formation, which pushes into the 440s, 450s, May, June, July. And so it really is more of a 440s, 450s target. Now, we could trade inside of this band through the third quarter, perhaps, but being long above 338.27, if you're a 3 to 5 month, 2 to 3 month position player, is the idea. Unless we close below 338.27 on Friday, and that would need to be by a 1% margin of 334.87 or lower, then we enter another significant 3 to 5 month sell signal, and then we would expect 224.55 over that time horizon. But we're not there. We've come off that area nicely, 338.27. Take a look at the daily chart, and you can see that nice rebound. And in fact, yesterday or a couple days ago, we closed back above the speed line. Is now 350.19. This, by the way, is a solid intraday support level, may even contain daily selling pressures. We did test our 3 to 5 day objective on Tuesday. Following the testing of 338.27, we did test this descending 3-week channel top that is today at 361.59. Yesterday it was 364 and change. We essentially closed right at it. So I would like to say that we closed in a buy signal, anticipating 386.93 now over the next 3 to 5 days. I will say on that count, though, we are expecting 386.93 as a 2 to 3 week target anyway. But the question begs, will we break back from here into the upper 330s over the next 3 to 5 days before then presumably rounding up again to this channel top at 386.93, which remains a 2 to 3 week target above 338.27. And if we close above 361.59, and quite frankly, I'd like to see us close higher on the day, so not only above 61.59, this channel top, but above yesterday's 364 and change settlement price, that should yield over the next 3 to 5 days 386.93. This structure can contain buying through next week. We could even fall away from here back through the rest of April into the upper 330s. So we could fill this wedge out for the next 3 to 5 weeks potentially. But I've already mentioned how over the next 2 or 3 months, we should see that 432.90 level, which is this former channel bottom.
If you're finding value in this analysis, it's only a glimpse of what we offer. Your real trading edge starts at wickedstocks.com. Each week, premium members receive 2 high-probability stock picks. Each one comes with a complete trade plan, including exact entry, profit target, stop loss, and regular updates so you can manage the trade with confidence. You'll also get daily video analysis in the top traded markets, the SPY, the Triple Q, and NVIDIA, highlighting the key price levels, trends, and trade setups we're focused on. Whether you're day trading or swing trading, these insights help you zero in on the highest quality opportunities with clarity. Start your 2-week free trial and trade with clarity from day one.
That was a sell signal upon settlement below 2 months ago. And so I've mentioned that as a 2 to 3 month possibility. And if we were to close above 386.93 over the next week or two, we should then see 432.90 by the end of May, where, I might add, we can top out on a monthly basis and fall away. So there are a couple of time frames I've thrown at you. 3 to 5 days hasn't changed. 361.59 is the pivot point over the 3 to 5 day time frame. If we close back below 361.59 today, we should see a retest over the next 3 to 5 days of 338.27. Inversely, if we close above 361.59 today, and ideally higher on the day, we enter a 3 to 5 day buy signal that should yield 386.93, and that is a 2 to 3 week target anyway above 338.27. So profits can be taken on a 3 to 5 day buy signal today, or if you're long already, perhaps. And profits can be taken on a 2 to 3 week swing trade at 386.93. If we close above 386.93, it is go long, stay long, 2 to 3, 3 to 5 week swing traders back into the 430s where profits can be taken on that time horizon. Downside, once again, if we close today below 361.59, actually, let me back up a little bit and say that if we open today, break or especially open today below 361.59, and we could, this 350.19 long-term speed line in reach today. And if we do close today, as I say, below the 361.59 formation, we should see 338.29, 27 rather, over the next 3 to 5 days. You know, I think I've said it all. Please click like, share, subscribe, check out wickedstocks.com, take advantage of our 2-week free trial, and see Tuesday's stock pick in Reddit. We'll have another one coming at you on Thursday. We do about 2 every week. So I'm going to leave it at that for Tuesdays. Is it Tuesdays? Yes. Or is it Wednesday? Sorry, Wednesday's Daily Tesla Report. You have a great day.